takataura isusu tikati inzwai munzwe muri yezimbabwe Chiwenga wapindura Mnangagwa mustate house iwe uri kutaura kuti Chiwenga wapindura Mnangagwa mustate tikati iwe tanzwa nemainsiders ona kati mainsiders ako ndiani tikati hatingakuudzika mazita muda kuita sei nawo vana kati runyepa tikati iwe saka iwo uri kugaya kuti tikuudzewo zita rokuti shamwari ndini munhu ari kushanda muofisi yaMnangagwa ari kubika tii kana kuti ari kubika chingwa muchimoto etc chofarigwa naMnangagwa ari matemba anofarigwa naMnangagwa ari mahlonza macembi madora anofarigwa naMnangagwa ari namai Mnangagwa tokuudza zita rake uri kutarisira kuti anosurvivha here in this system vana kati but ipapo une point but blab tikati iwe nyar hatigoni kuudza mazita evanhu ava but togona kuudza more information vana kati alright taakuunderstanda because actually vana Mnangagwa kana vanhu vana Chiwenga vane basa ndevanhu vanopa news pamusoro pana Chiwenga nana Mnangagwa. Why? Because of the system, Zimbabwean system, upresident hukwa mZimbabwe. Think about being the president of Zimbabwe tikati exactly wakufunga saka nyaya imire papi ndo patazodzoka muri Zimbabwe tikati isusu Chinzwai Zvabvumirana Mnangagwa naChiwenga yanga iri nyaya yei so ndo patadzoka paya tikati takakuudza isusu I think yava last week kune vamwe vangaita aiwe it's 2 days ago, it's 1 day ago, it's 4 days ago, 5 days ago pakatiudza zvinhu you reported about this tikati yes whatever kuti wakazinzwa rini uri kuisa timeline ipi but when it comes to zvakabvumirana Chiwenga naMnangagwa is the same thing takataura tikati Chiwenga watevera Mnangagwa mustate house tikataura also kuti why Chiwenga atevera Mnangagwa mustate house what is the issue nyaya iri kutangira papi ichigumira papi tikabva takuudza kuti muri Zimbabwe aiwa it's not about kubva kutangira nyaya yakatanga kudhara matuma ATM tushaya mari kubhadhara Nedbank account tushaya kubhadhara mari yeNedbank send money tuma ATM twakatsamwa tokatobvurira kana to 5 tuma ATM kana muri muRoziten Village Johannesburg twakatobvurira tokadhiniwa hatuna cash munhu weNedbank but it's no nonsense. What kind of banking system is this? Mbozi vajara ivo Standard Bank vajara FNB mabank anodeliver. So where is ABSA? Also even ABSA kana Standard Bank yatoti board Nedbank yatoti board tutora where is ABSA chakatodhakwa even worse ndo paya muri Zimbabwe pamunoona vanhu vachidzoka vachiti iwe let's talk, let's live together, let's share the information, discoveries, let's feel each other, let's respect each other and let's write new laws because what we have between us is nonsense. It cannot be touched. Yanga ichingori assumption based on assumption, bullshit or nonsense. What? Who is talking? My Africans are talking. My Africans are understanding new things. What are these new things? Really like brothers like myself who can comprehend, gather together, put together what we are being told by those ones who are trying to convince us. Can we put it together and come to a conclusion? You know what? It's necessary for us to be praised, for us to be put in a higher position, and for members below us to praise us because they say, you know what? These guys are standing on truth. For they have been standing in truth. If it wasn't for that, they could have been killed or become nonsensical. You so you support me when I reach 5,000 rather than when I hit 150,000, and the person is like, no, you get me wrong. One point of view in each season. How many will be there? 5,000, which 1,000 a season, and 150,000, which is another 1,000 a season, which is a total of 6. Ubona dayo muna asikundi supporter muna ane basi ni my ideas ane basi ni two my ideas so muri Zimbabwe regai tikudze richidaiso because right now ndo pari kutanga nyanga isati tanga all this time mananga achitaura sina basa but nyaya yazotanga man and we are so glad kuti tive isusu isusu vamwe vevanhu vari kubata nyaya, vamwe vevanhu vari kupinzira nyaya, vamwe vevanhu vari kuita hold accountable too. Ava vanga vachida kupinzira nyaya vasina evidence, vasina information. Do you understand that you can be scammed by your own friend, especially by your own friend? It starts being scary. So, you always say Muri Zimbabwe, you always say as an African member, because if you cannot Muri Zimbabwe and you are living in South Africa, you've learned to live as Muri Zimbabwe amongst other Zimbabweans. So, you always say Muri Zimbabwe, like maybe you are the core or the big or whatever you are in this gang, in this tribe. These people will treat you like their family, like a young brother or a big brother, treat you equally and fairly. And if they fail to pay, we all going down, man. Tose tiri kuzungwa kuri why tiri kuzosiya one. If kachisiya one tasiya ningi and that ningi is active, unozoshereketa kutese tibude. It's qualifications by merit, qualifications by situation. Murez Baba, I respect you. Murez Baba, I'm looking at the situation. I'm looking at the numbers. I'm looking at how many Zimbabweans are confused right now. How many Zimbabweans are about to be confused right now? Is magic real? Are these magic boys real? Iwe, ndudati ndidzoke nemi papapa. Ime, mfesi wenyu wa murutaura nezvake, ari kutaura neni, ane kodzero kutaura neni. Is magic even real to them? If magic was real to them, weren't they going to create something out of nothing? But they don't believe it. They believe something comes out of something. That's why when they win by themselves, they still find a way to blame themselves until they pay back enough. Like, until they pay back equal pain, to the same glory that they just achieved, to the same glory that they've just experienced. Mrezma, what does that mean? Today about 250 kilograms before. 250 kgs. As isusu sema Zimbabwe, sema Africans, tatakadai so here imi mure Zimbabwe. Vakadzi, vana mainini, vana queen, ma queens, ma zhidza ma Indians, ma zhidza ma colored, ma zhidza varungu. Tatakadai so here sema African kings, we tatiri so perfect, so kingly, so perfect, so jimly. Kana zvisirizo, you gotta understand kuti imimi ndi machinja. You just set a new standard. It's to do that new standard. And do you see how much you're about to mess up with that new standard? Okay. We have just passed the 3 seconds. We have just passed the 6 seconds. We have just passed the 9 seconds. We're about to pass the 12 seconds, 15 seconds, and 18 seconds. But you have a good chance to apologize to me. Ndiregerere iwo, ndikurere vana. Tifare tinzwisisane, tive ne respect with each other. Our mistakes, we are past them. We love each other. We respect each other. We forget about it all. Both I have said this. I love you. I really mean it. Takaenda. So, apa takungopedzisa tichivharisa. Kupedzisa tichivharisa. Ndo patotaura nezvedu isusu. Titi, yes, it's 8 minutes 53 seconds, 8 minutes 54, 8 minutes. Apa tikuverenga in real time. That's why I'm tichiinda. But you know what? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Stay subscribed. I never expected this. I'm grateful. And I know our voices, our grievances, our everything is going to be amplified by the assemblies that are going to meet after us. More love, more respect. Thank you so much.